clear your name. This word makes you sound smarter. Vindicate. Pronounce it as Vindicate. Emphasis on the first syllable, VIN. It means to clear someone of blame or suspicion, or to show or prove to be right, reasonable, or justified. After years of false accusations, the new evidence finally came to light, completely vindicating the innocent man. Instead of saying prove right, say vindicate to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word vindicate in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.